Good morning to all the teachers and my dear friends. My name is Shimona Pant. I, on behalf of all, welcome you to Teachers' Day celebration. The light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us strength is our teacher. Today, we celebrate Teachers' Day, a day kept aside to honor the gifted souls who work every day to make sure that the future is bright for all of us. Let us welcome all the teachers with a big round of applause. On this beautiful occasion, let us take the opportunity to convey our wishes to all our teachers who have given impeccable contribution in shaping us. Just like every year, this year also we have gathered here to celebrate Teachers' Day, only with a twist. Every year, the 5th of September is celebrated as Teachers' Day in India, commemorating the birth anniversary of Dr. Radhakrishnan. As a teacher, Vice President, and Second President of India, Dr. Radhakrishnan made an immense contribution to the country. On this special occasion, I wish to convey my best wishes and greetings to all the teachers gathered here and to all those who have helped me attain success in my academics. As we all know that it is impossible to define teacher, as teachers are not only limited to teaching or guiding students in academics, but also helping students to take the right path. They add value to our character and make us ideal citizens of the country. Secondly, teachers are our second parents. Teachers play a prominent role in influencing and inspiring us. Every student tries to imitate their teachers and consider them as a role model. After parents, teachers take the responsibility of molding a child's character at each and every step. Therefore, it is our utmost duty to convey our wishes to teachers today in recognition of their efforts. Let us take time to pay honor and admire all their contribution in elevating us. Thank you, teachers, for your invaluable efforts and guidance. Now, we have prepared some amazing dhamakedar performances for you all. First, I would like to call Vrinda of Class 4 to fill the air with an energetic dance performance.
Good morning everyone. Today I, Taru Sharma of class 8 is going to say few lines on occasion of Teachers Day. आज का दिन शिक्षकों के अलावा हम विद्यार्थी के लिए भी बहुत खास है, क्योंकि आज हम इस मंच से अपने प्रिय शिक्षकों के प्रति अपने विचार प्रकट कर सकते हैं और उन्हें ये बता सकते हैं कि वह हमारी जिंदगी में क्या मायने रखते हैं। माता पिता के बाद आप ही वह प्रथम गुरु हैं जिन्होंने हमें सही गलत का भेद करना सिखाया, हमें साक्षर बनाया, हमारा भला सोचा, हमें आगे बढ़ने के लिए प्रेरित किया। माता पिता ने जन्म दिया, लेकिन आपने जिंदगी सही मायने में जीना सिखाया। आपके दिए ज्ञान के बिना हम जिंदगी की कठिनाई पहेलियों को सुलझाना न पाते। आप केवल हमारे शिक्षक ही नहीं, दोस्त भी हैं, जिन्होंने हमारे सतह पर हमारे समझ को समझने का प्रयास किया और नए नए तरीकों से हमें ज्ञान की सही दिशा दिखाई। जब हम कोई एक तरीका विफल हो, आप दूसरे तरीके आजमाए, लेकिन हम अपने हाल पर कभी न छोड़ा, हमेशा हमें सफल बनाने का प्रयत्न किया। हाँ, आज हम सभी विद्यार्थी अपने प्रिय शिक्षकों से ये वादा करते हैं कि आपने हम पर जो विश्वास जताए, हम समय निवेश किया, उसे हमें व्यर्थ नहीं जाने देंगे। आपकी हम पर की गई मेहनत को असफल हम जीवन में सफल व्यक्ति जरूर बनेंगे और एक उज्जवल भविष्य बनाकर आपका नाम रोशन करेंगे। इसी के साथ आप सभी को शिक्षक दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।
Thank you, Tarush. Truly, you teachers are really special for all of us, and we all love you. Now, without any delay, put your hands together for Benazir Zia of Class 5, who is dedicating a beautiful song full of love for you all.
My name is Benazir Zia. I study in class 5. Now I am going to do a performance. Teacher, see the good inside me. Take my hand and guide me your way. Teacher, when you see me giving up, teach me how to stand up again. Thank you for all that you have done, and thank you for all you do. I've been molded by your hands, so thank you, teacher. Take me and define me when you're beside me. I'm strong, teacher. When I'm old and wiser, I will remember you. Promise I'll grow stronger at the thought of you. Thank you for all that you have done, and thank you for all you do. I've been molded by your hands, so thank you. I've been molded by your hands, so thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Benazir. You filled the air with love. It was indeed beautiful. Wherever you find something extraordinary, you will find the fingerprints of a great teacher. Now, to rock the stage, I would like to call Rene Gorai of Class 6 to perform a dance for you.
Bad girl, you can be my baby mama. Wanna take you class, we can chill for the summer. Your body language, so piquant. Private jet, we can fly to Bahama. Flat tummy chains on your waist. Hiya, you better than my ex. I got the room party, you can be my guest. Hiya, I wanna feel that taste. Do you like it when I whine it? You wanna pull up right behind it? Feel the wave coming right in. So, get too close. I'm a killer, baby, no lies. You know I can change your whole life. Feel it burning like a wildfire. So, get too close. can tell you all love. Say you only want a top girl. Ain't nobody went like me. But my love ain't free. Hit it, don't stop. Bring it, body on lock. Feel it, hips tick tock. Get it, queen that's me. No time for the basic beats. Yeah, that jig got me lit. I put my hands on my hips. When I'm done, you can
A dance, amazing Trinay, you never fail to surprise us. Now, I would like to call Nav Swami of Class 6, who would like to dedicate a poem to all you special teachers.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Naswami of Class 6A. Today, we gathered here to celebrate Teachers' Day. Now, I am narrating a poem for all of my teachers. My poem name is Because of You. Because of you, a child feels loved. Because of you, a child will believe they can reach the star above. Because of you, child will find laughter and smile. Because of you, a child will learn to love and not fight. Because of you, child will learn the value of work and not be lazy. Because of you, a child will find comfort-loving arms. Because of you, a child will learn as they play. Because of you, a child will make a difference along life's way. Because God uses you to help them become the person He wants them to be. Thank you and happy Teachers' Day to all of my lovely teachers.
Very nice. Shimona. Shimona, continue, please. नहीं, she is here. Yeah. Shimona, please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, Nav. Such beautiful and kind words for such beautiful human beings. Bill Gates said, and I quote, "Technology is just a tool in terms of getting the kids working together and motivating them. The teacher is the most important." Now, without delay, our last dance performance of the day by another talented student, Rishabh Gandhi of Class 6. Put your hands together for Rishabh.
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things have been. Oh, ooh. Second, don't you tell me what you think.
Do you all watch award shows? Yes, right? So here, let us celebrate an award show of our own to celebrate the awesomeness that exists within the world of education. I would like Shraddha and Avni of Class 6 to take over.
Good morning, Principal Ma'am and our teachers. I'm Avni.
And I am Shraddha. And we both are really excited.
Yes, we feel truly honored.
So let's start with our torch bearer, the one and only Miss Rana ma'am, our torch bearer.
Now second, Miss Multitasking Ninja. She truly manages all. Our Principal Ma'am, our multitasking ninja.
Next, Miss Silent Worker. Miss मैं हूं ना, our problem solver नीला मैम, वो है ना?
Loving. Samarika ma'am, the one full of love.
Next, Miss Silent Worker, Manu ma'am, chuke chuke, she does it also perfect. Our silent worker.
Now it's time for the next. Miss Supportive. Rashi ma'am. She has been there always. Miss Supportive.
Next, Miss Thoda Pyar, Thoda Magic. Divya ma'am, her words are the sweetest, full of love with halka magic.
Now it's time for the next. Miss Sehat Setu. Alka Sharma ma'am. She know it very well. She know every wall, every child, every room, and never saw showering her love.
Next, Miss Cool as Cucumber. Miss Nimisha ma'am, you are the coolest, the calmest, our cucumber.
Now, Miss Sevika Smile. Alka Vikas ma'am. You spread so much positivity around with your smile and melodious voice. What a smile, ma'am.
Miss H. Miss, none other than Preeti ma'am. Ma'am, our link is not working.
It's time for the next. Miss Perfect Attendance. Any guesses? Okay. Siva ma'am. Not a single day in Sehed without you. Miss Perfect Attendance.
Yes, it is Preeti ma'am, full of sweetness. She works with the love and dedication.
Last but not the least, Miss Chota Packet Bada Dhamaka. None other than Akshi ma'am. Not a single event works without you.
Thank you, Avni and Shraddha. It was so much fun. In the end, I would like to say our heartfelt thanks goes out to all, our principal ma'am and our teachers who are our second parents, who always stand by us, guide us, lead us, and motivate us. Dear teachers, we feel proud and thank you for being our role models and making us feel happy with your presence at this function. Your presence did make us feel proud. Thank you, dear teachers. Sincere thanks to all my friends who took lots of effort in organizing the grand function successfully. A big thanks to all my friends. रोशनी बनकर आए जो हमारी जिंदगी में, ऐसे गुरुओं को हम प्रणाम करते हैं. जमीन से आसमान तक पहुंचाने का जो रखते हैं हुनर, ऐसे टीचर्स को हम दिल से सलाम करते हैं. थैंक यू.
Good afternoon, all. I would like to thank, and we all are very much honored by the gesture and the gratitude you have all shown to us. Thank you. We all are missing you. It would have been more fun if you would have been here with us. Thank you, and we all love you. Take care, stay home, stay safe.
Children are like the buds in the garden and should be carefully and lovingly nurtured, as they are the future of the nation and the citizens of tomorrow. A very warm good afternoon to all the students. Dear children, teachers are the role models of their students and affect the heart of every student. But it is you who make us the role models. You believe in us and motivate us to make you realize your potentials, your dreams, and your passion to chase your dreams. And because of you, we are here as your teachers, your mentors. This year, we can't celebrate our bonding physically, but we are always together through distant learning. Your preparations on Teachers' Day to honor us is heart-touching and overwhelming. Thank you, children, for the love and respect you showered on us. Thank you for making us feel special. Happy Teachers' Day to all of you. Thank you.
there. So children,
Yes, ma'am.
it was a very lovely performance by you all, right? You all performed very well, the dances, the anchoring, and the speeches, and obviously the titles that you people have given to all your teachers, right? We feel honored today, okay? And we are missing you here in
Thank
the
you, ma'am.
we are missing you here in the school. We really pray that.
And we also missing you.
Yeah, I know you are missing. I know you are.
Ma'am,
Let this time pass, right? We'll meet again in the school. I hope you are studying well. I hope you are taking care of your health, right? Yes or no?
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So all your teachers are missing you. On behalf of everyone, I bless you. I wish you good luck. I pray for your good health, right? For your family's health. And
Ma'am, thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am. To sing a song
Thank you,
for
ma'am.
you.
Ma'am, I also want to sing a song.
since,
I have to show a little gift to you all.
sing. Who wants to sing? Please sing.
Ma'am, I want to give a speech.
Ah,
Ma'am, I
now,
want to sing a song.
okay. Speak.
To show you some little gift.
So one by one, you can do that, huh?
Okay, ma'am.
Who wants to?
Ma'am, I want to give a speech. Teachers, we praise you, teachers. We thank you, teachers, for everything. We love you, teachers. We praise you, teachers. We thank you, teachers, for everything. सच्चे दिल से करते हैं हम आपको ना मन सच्चे दिल से करते हैं हम आपको ना मन we love you teachers we praise you teachers we thank you teachers for everything we love you teachers we praise you teachers we thank you teachers for everything.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Who else is there? Who else?
Ma'am, I want to give a speech.
Who is there? What is your name?
Snigdha Tiwari. Good morning to all the teachers and my dear friends. The light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us strength to survive is our teacher. Today, we celebrate Teachers' Day, a day keep aside to honor the gifted souls who work every day to make sure that the future is bright for all of us. Let us welcome all the teachers with a big round of applause. On this beautiful occasion, let us take the opportunity to convey our wishes to all our teachers who give impeccable contribution in shaping us. Every year, 5th of September, we celebrate Teachers' Day. It is a day filled with lots of excitement, joy and happiness as students are eagerly looking forward to tell their teachers how and why are they special to them. It is my honor to talk about our dear teachers on this wonderful occasion. We celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th of September every year in India. September 5th is marked by the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan and the Teachers' Day is celebrated in commemoration of his birthday. Along with being a successful leader in the form of the President of the country, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was a great schooler and an excellent teacher. Thank you and have a very happy Teachers' Day.
The best. You never ever rest. You work very hard day and night to make me very bright. I learn new things every day and there is always time to play. You are like my mother. One day when I grow up, I would like to thank you for not giving up. Thank you, teachers. A very happy Teachers' Day to all my lovely teachers.
Teacher, say the good inside me. Take my hand and guide me your way. Teacher, when you giving, receiving up, teach me how to stand up your way. Thank you for all that you have done, and thank you for all you do. I have been molded by your hands, so thank you. I have been molded by your hands, so thank you. Teacher, we are still young ones, but we won't not be the young ones for long. Thank you.
Thank you, all of you. Thank you, children.
Thank you,
Happy
ma'am.
Teachers Day, ma'am.
Happy Teachers Day, ma'am.
To all my lovely teachers. Thank you to
Bye-bye.
all my lovely teachers. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, children.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Happy Teachers
Thank you, ma'am.